morning, guys. So it's the third day of being houseless. It's weird. I'm at my husband's mom's house for a couple days. So day one was the actual moving out day, and yesterday was the first full day that we were not in our home. We're going to be probably here for 2 more days because of Halloween. We wanted our kids to be able to trick-or-treat. Well, the youngest, the middle one, doesn't trick-or-treat anymore. Bella's here. Hey, Bella. Say hi. Say hi. So this is the state of where my husband and I, are sleeping. It's nice. It's kind of like having a bachelor apartment. Need to make that bed. There's a little computer station over there. And then just like 1,000 pillows on this bed, so they end up on the floor. Did do some shopping yesterday after my sale of my house money came in, which was nice. Do you see the Sephora bag in there? It's in there. So I'm doing this vlog because so many of you have asked me to do a vlog with our travel across the country. We're probably going to be driving. We're like 90% sure, but we're still not 100% sure. So if we do fly, then we fly, but likely we're going to be driving. I think it's easier with the dogs to drive as opposed to fly. Oh, by the way, did go get my nails done. Really like this color. I had picked another color, and she was halfway through doing my nails, and I saw this just like hanging on one of those nail things. And I said, oh, can I get that one instead? So this is the D&D shellac. And the color is plum. And somebody was asking me about the shape that I get. I just ask for square with rounded edges because I don't like my nails. I don't like my nails to be too pointy. So I just say square with rounded edges. Anyway, I really like the way they turned out. I wanted to show you guys this. We went to the coolest store yesterday called Miniso. And I know they had a lot of Korean stuff. But I think the store is actually from Japan originally, and I think that because of that, I am by no means an expert in anything about that. But anyways, this store was so cool. They had so much like beauty stuff, travel stuff, electronics, toys for kids, household stuff. It was gigantic, and it was all so cheap. So much of what I bought is already out and people are using it, but I want to show you a couple things. So I'll probably end up putting these things in a haul, but this I had to try. Now, their whole thing in this store was Pink Panther. He was everywhere. I don't know why. But anyway, this is a double-ended liquid eyeliner with tattoo stamp. So I need to try this out. It was like literally everything was like $2.99, $3.99, $1.99, $4.99. The most expensive skincare stuff was like 10 bucks. These razors, this is like, it said Swedish stainless steel. This is like kind of like the Gillette, like the heavy razor, and there's 4 replacement blades. This is like $3. So he's gonna try that out and report back. They also had some LA Girl, which it's been a while since I've seen these anywhere, and I love this formula. So I'll swatch this in a second for you guys, actually. And then the only other thing I got myself is these eye masks. I'm going to try one out in a minute. I took one out already. So they are actually like, they go around your eye. Can you see that there? They go around your eyes, kind of like a real mask. There's the LA Girl swatches. I had a hard time picking, so I just said, pick one, go with your gut. So I picked this one. Really pretty. guys, it's Halloween. I'm just going trick-or-treating with my son, so I don't really have a costume per se. I'm just wearing black, and I got this headscarf thing, and then I did my entire face with the new Sephora Pro Editorial 2 palette. So like this crazy blush and highlight, and of course everything on my eyes is all from that palette. I even put, I don't know if you can tell, there's even like a iridescent blue that I put in my eyebrows, and I just did some stars with eyeliner. So yeah, I don't even have any like liquid lipstick or anything, so I'll probably just put the Fenty gloss on. So I didn't really have like a lot of makeup that I could use to do something with, so this is the best we're gonna get this year. I know this is not blended. You want to see my makeup setup right now? So I went from my makeup room to this. So I'm gonna have to really give these brushes a good cleaning because they're covered in eyeshadow. Like even these face brushes I use to contour with, you know, with like eyeshadow from the editorial palette. My mother-in-law just had this scarf. Oh, it's very long, so I keep sitting on it. But like, I guess I could just throw it over my shoulder or something. So I am a fortune teller for Halloween this year.
I know I'm obsessed with that song, I play it forever, but I'm always getting better at getting it exactly right.
It's the day after Halloween. We just picked up our rental car for the drive, and I want to go see it with you guys. So we're gonna go see it. It's a very rainy day. I don't know if you could tell, but it's just been raining all day. I'm trying to shield my camera with my jacket. There we go. VW. Do that again.
What? This is pavement. Normal. That's snow. Is this supposed to be the side of the vehicle? Oh, this is mountain passes.
Off-road?
Off-road mountain passes. This is off-road snowy mountain passes, according to the picture.
So apparently there's a third row of seats back there. We're gonna have to see.
Oh, you should.
Oh wait, there's a sunroof too.
You got all these drive modes, eh?
I know.
So you got snow. That's a big sunroof.
Wow, that would be awesome.
What?
Oh, it's like a
Like
thing.
a privacy cover.
Why would you need that?
Just to hide all your stuff. You got a bunch of crap lying there. You pull that over.
Oh.
You can't see it.
If you want to hide your diamonds.
Yeah.
I see.
You're done.
Oh, there's the third row of seats. I see now.
On the floor.
Oh, they're not even in the floor. They're just folded down.
Oh, okay.
So, because I can see the floor.
Yeah.
All right, that's not too bad. So it's getting to be kind of a reality that this is actually going to happen, which is kind of weird and scary and fun and exciting. And I'm really excited though about traveling through the States. Mainly just because it's something totally different. Like a lot of people think Canada and the US are very much the same. They're same in some ways, but very different in other ways. So it'll be fun to be in a completely different country that is, you know, has so many different things. That is really exciting to me. And so we'll be on the road for like 5 days, I think. Tomorrow is the 2nd, and we're supposed to return this car on the 8th in the city we're moving to in BC. So, yeah, that's 6 days, so we should really only be on the road for 5 days, but we'll see. We have 2 dogs, 2 kids, and us 2 in this SUV, which is roomy enough for us, it seems like. This is not an ad for freaking VW, but anyways, yeah, I just thought you'd like to see it. I'm gonna end this vlog here for now. I'm not used to vlogging, so I hope I'm doing an okay job, and hopefully I'll, I don't know, maybe do like 2 days at a time. Maybe end up with like 3 or 4 vlogs by the end. This is not a vlogging channel, so this is only because you guys asked for it. So yeah, that's it for now though. Okay, bye.